All right, let's take a look at this COSTWAY AK BTU portable AC unit. So besides this, the unit itself comes with all this stuff in the box. Pretty standard. Window kit, adapter to fit inside the window, like so. A retractable hose, I think it's like 60 inches, 6-inch diameter, standard stuff. Little handy dandy manual. And a drainage hose. Still unclear about exactly how this works, but I guess we'll find out in the next few days. So the way I installed it, I couldn't really do it in my window here because it slides out this way. I didn't want to run a hose on my bed, so cut out a hole, put a little kit here, put some ventilation through the wall, put a louvered vent on the other side. Yeah, it sits nice and flush. I used aluminum venting instead of the standard one, just so it fits more nicely flush out here. So a lot of different options here. Nice thing, the reason why I'm going into all this is because it's standardized parts. So this thing threads perfectly with any 6-inch hose you get. I just bought this, I think it's the mobile AC, portable AC wall kit. So you can grab that if you so choose to do it through the wall there. Besides that, pretty cool. You got manually adjusted vents here. Let's turn it on. Nice. So you have controls here, goes all the way down to 59. You have a different mode selection, dehumidifier mode, fan mode, timer, swing, which adjusts the horizontal swing. And if you didn't notice already, some cool ambient RGB lighting here. Child lock and sleep mode, which I believe just lowers the speed of the fan and turns off the LEDs. And you have 2 different speed settings here for the fan. So probably hear that getting much louder, but this thing spits out really nice, cool air. Very satisfied with it so far. It's about 80 degrees in my house right now and about 74, 75 in my room, which is awesome. I don't have to spend a fortune on energy cooling the whole house when this does the trick. And regarding that drain vent, there's a little stop, there's a drain stop right here, which I believe this one does not passively evaporate the air, if I'm not mistaken. That's why they include this. So we'll see how long in between uses I have to actually drain it. But the way this works is this plugs in right here where the stop is and feeds out water from the drain tank down below. So I'll update my review when I find out how long you can run this thing before you need to drain it. But besides that, pretty sweet. So it's got some casters at the bottom so you can roll it out and so. Overall, pretty satisfied with it and would recommend.